today in the presence of God to witness God's blessing on them and share their joy together. The scriptures teach us that marriage is a gift of God in creation and a means of His grace, a holy mystery in which a man and a woman become one flesh. This is the way of life, created and hallowed by God. Now to begin. You will each give your consent to each other. You will join hands and exchange solemn vows, and as a token of this, you'll give and receive a ring. Therefore, on this your wedding day, I pray with you that, strengthened and guided by God, you may fulfill His purpose for the whole of your lives together. But first, I am required to ask anyone present who knows a reason why these persons may not lawfully marry to declare it now. Would you please repeat after me? I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Any lawful impediment.
Why I.
May
May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I. May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
To be your wife. Will you love her, comfort her, honour and protect her, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I will.
And to be your husband. Will you love him, comfort him, honour and protect him, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I will.
And who gives this woman to be married to this man?
I do.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to pass your flowers back, darling. And if you could turn and face each other, please. Please right hand and repeat after me. I call upon these persons here present.
I call upon these persons here present.
To witness that to be my lawful wedded wife.
To be my lawful wedded wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And this is my solemn vow.
And this is my solemn vow.
Please repeat after me. I call upon these persons here present.
I call upon these persons here present.
To witness that I
Do take you.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And this is my solemn vow.
And this is my solemn vow.
You may loose hands from. Place the ring upon her finger, hold it there, and repeat these words. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a sign of our marriage.
As a sign of our marriage.
With my body I honour you.
With my body I honour you.
All that I am I give to you.
All that I am I give to you.
And all that I have I share with you.
And all that I have I share with you.
You may place the ring.
Right off.
Would you like to pass rolling your ring? Please hold it there and repeat these words. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a sign of our marriage.
As a sign of our marriage.
With my body I honour you.
With my body I honour you.
All that I am I give to you.
All that I am I give to you.
And all that I have I share with you.
And all that I have I share with you.
You may place the ring.
I need you to do that.
You turn and face me. In the presence of God and before your witness, you've given your consent, made your marriage vows to each other. You've declared your marriage by the joining of hands, by the giving and receiving of a ring. I therefore proclaim that you're husband and wife. Congratulations, may kiss the bride. Congratulations, congratulations, well done.
Congratulations. Thank you.
like to bring your wife across. Sign for the just in the box there. Pass that to your wife. And there your balance.
Or my old signature.
Well done. Perfect. We'll go back behind the anvil and we'll have Mum and Dad, please.
Change it.
So, let me go there. There you go. So, with that, if you just make sure the guys fill out the white form that's inside, you have 3 days to return your papers. You just put it through the letterbox of the registration office. You can't go in. 3 weeks' time, they will post you back their marriage certificate. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's great.
Guys, lovely to have met you both. Wish you a long and happy life together.
Who fills the white form out inside?
Oh, Francis.
Yeah.
Have a lovely day. Okay.
Thank
There you are, Derek. Look after that. Don't lose that. That's my bill. So enjoy your day.
Okay. Is it?
Smiling that one. Good. And again. Take your flowers into your left hand. Well done. And then just take them down to your side. Tilt the flower heads towards you. Yeah. That's it. And I just want you to look down at your flowers. Lovely. Gorgeous. Help your wife. Again, just take off your masks for me. Lovely. So Carol, if you'd like to join your wife. And pop your right hand, Carol, on the back of the chair. Yep.
Do you want me to kneel down?
No. Good. Turn a little bit more in towards Rowan. Then pop your left hand on the desk. Brings those heads closer. And Rowan, if you'd like to pick up the feather. We used to do that and say, well, we're going to give this to the boss, and the men always used to reach for it first, and then I used to give it to the bride. We always got a smile, which is what you're after. Alright, okay. That's fine. Good. So, first one ready, and smiling now, guys. Good. But we'll just have a little bit of a happier smile there, and again. Come on, that's it. Brilliant. Good. Pop the feather down, pick up your flowers, and we're heading to the carriage room.
Okay.
Yeah, so it just relaxes you that little bit, but relax that shoulder at the same time. That's it. Right there. Look to Carl, give him a sexy smile, that's it.